In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily hide the Add to Cart button on your Wix product page. This can be particularly useful if you're looking to create a minimalistic feel on your site, or temporarily prevent purchases for a specific product while still showcasing it. Let's get started and walk through these steps together. First, you'll want to navigate to your product page within the Wix editor. If you're not already logged into Wix, make sure you do so with your credentials, and then access your site from the dashboard. Once you're there, locate the product page where the item is displayed. This is the page where all your products are listed, so take a moment to find the specific product you intend to modify. It's typically a good idea to have a clear picture of the product you're altering, so double-check that you've selected the correct page. Now that you're on your product page, hover over and right-click on the specific product you want to modify. You'll notice that a small menu appears offering various options for what you can do next. This context menu is helpful because it gives you quick access to the most relevant tools without navigating away from your current view. From this menu, you should select Settings. Clicking on Settings will allow you to manage the details and layout of that particular product. Once you're inside the settings for the product, look for an option labeled Show Button, or something similar like Add to Cart Button. This setting controls whether or not the Add to Cart button will be visible to your customers. To hide it, simply uncheck this option or toggle it off, depending on how it's displayed in your editor. The functionality here can differ slightly based on updates and changes to the Wix interface, so keep an eye out for anything that looks related to buttons. After you've made your changes, it's essential to make sure that they are saved. Look for the Save or Publish button, often located at the top right corner of your editor page. These buttons are your friend here, as they're the last step to finalize your updates. Clicking Save will ensure that your changes are stored, but remain unpublished until the site is ready for visitors to see. On the other hand, Publish will update the live site immediately with the changes you just made. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully removed the Add to Cart button from your selected product, giving you control over how visitors interact with your product listings. Whether you're fine-tuning your e-commerce strategy or experimenting with design, these simple modifications can make a big difference. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips.